The banking and financial industry in Malaysia is one of the industries that continues to grow and is a guaranteed industry, despite the considerable challenges in the banking industry, and is constantly influenced by the appreciation and depreciation of world currencies. The banking system, comprising commercial banks, merchant banks, and financial companies, are the major drivers in collecting funds and important financial resources that support economic activities in Malaysia. Non-bank financial intermediaries comprising developmental financial institutions, provident and pension funds, insurance companies and takaful operators complement the banking institutions in collecting savings to fulfill the monetary needs of the economy.
Banking and finance refers to a process in which a bank offers services to its clients that include lending, deposit taking, share tradings, credit cards, debit cards, and all banking transactions. On the other hand, investment banker offers its professional services to its clients, include corporates and government in terms of raising funds by issuing bonds and stock. Financial services like bank actually is the most important element in the financial industry of any particular economy, because bank basically providing funding and providing saving facilities to the people, apart from assisting people to generate the proper financial flow for the economy to basically to grow. So yes, banking and finance actually is the heart of the economy, and its most important part is that it is well regulated and it's within the purview of our central bank. As per other jobs, the minimum requirement to be an executive in a bank actually is you must have a degree in any discipline. And as you move on a bit more senior positions, you must possess certain qualifications as well as related experience. If you focus more on the respective area that requires certain specialty, for example in finance, obviously you must have a degree in finance or degree in accountancy. But on the other hand, in other area of business, it's quite general in the sense that you may come from other related or relevant degree for you to start off as an executive in a bank. Traditionally, bank actually offering basic saving deposits, lending to personal or corporates. Most banks nowadays, basically they are enhancing their services. They are moving toward financial services and involve a more complex product in the light of derivative. We call it FRNID, dual currency investment, equity-linked notes, direct bonds, bank assurance, unit trust, share trading, share financing. I guess nowadays the product tend to be a bit more complex compared to the normal traditional bank that we have seen in the past decades. In a bank, we have these services. Most banks would have these services called wealth management. Basically, it helps people to meet their financial goal by establishing what would be their financial objective, and they provide a service, advisory services to meet those objectives by assessing clients' financial needs. As well as for lending side, basically the bank actually looking at the credit side, looking at the capability of clients to settle the payment. And on the individual side, they will have individual credit scoring as well. And on the investment side, on the deposit side, basically they are looking at the financial needs I mentioned earlier on about the financial needs of our clients. So this is a process that, as a banker, we will sit down with our clients to really understand what they really want and come up with the complete solutions to meet those needs. I guess the financial planning today are becoming very, very important for the bank as well as for our particular clients. What differentiates between one organization to another is a level of advisory services that they are offering to their clients. For myself in this industry, I basically coming from an accounting background, and I foresee that this area of business basically is open to all basic degree qualification. It may not be necessary to have a basic degree in accounting to be in financial, but you may come from different various backgrounds. You can have a diploma in arts, but you take a degree in banking and finance, which enable you to go and enhance your skill to be part of the most exciting job in the industry, I believe. You must have the wills to pursue a degree and becoming a banker.
The existence of a developed financial and banking sector has elevated Malaysia's position as a dynamic export base in Asia. The variety of financial facilities through local and foreign merchant banks and their network of branches all over the country are not only facilitative towards stimulating the development of various local industries. In fact, they open abundant opportunities for occupation and self-development in this challenging arena.